Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy KG, and I'm bringing you a video today of me installing some Silverholder dynamic car hood LED strips on my 2023 Black Widow Silverado. You see the Black Widow? This thing is a straight up beast. So the first thing that you want to do when we're installing these, Silverholder, right? Purchased off of Amazon. The first thing that I wanted to do was I wanted to make sure that I took it out of the packaging and I lined it up the way that I need to have it on the underside of my truck. So just wanted to make sure that you saw the first thing to do. And then after that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you take a clean rag and a good cleaning agent and you make sure that you clean the area that you're going to be installing, because this has double-sided tape, and the double-sided tape needs to adhere perfectly to your vehicle for a long time. So make sure that you take a clean rag and you clean off before your installation. So let's go ahead and get into this install, and stick with me, like the channel, because I'm going to be doing some different mods to the truck. It's already got a 6-inch lift. It's already got the 35-inch tires, custom rims. Gonna put a custom stereo system in there, and I'll show you all different little things. So follow my channel and you'll see how this truck is tricked out. But let's get to the lighting. One other thing, when you're installing the lighting, something that you're going to need on your truck, if you have a truck that's lifted and as big as mine, you're gonna need a step stool, because you're gonna have to get up into the engine. You're gonna have to make some, you're gonna have to mess around in the engine a little bit. So make sure you have a step stool, because this thing is super tall. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so one of the things that you're gonna wanna do is, you see there is red double-sided tape on the light bar. You're gonna make sure that you line it up the right way, right? The way that you want the bar to sit on your vehicle. And you have your power strip and your ground that's gonna be fed up through the truck. But now this has been all cleaned out. So we're gonna pull the stripping from the light bar, and we're just gonna attach it and lift it up, all right? Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to make sure that we take the power and the ground wires, and we are going to feed the wires up through the truck into the battery. So it's going to go up under here. We need to figure out a way to bring it all the way up here and to get it connected to the battery. And I'll tell you which terminal we're going to connect it to the battery as soon as I figure that out. But if you look here, there is, I don't know if you could see it, but there is a small little space where you can send the wires all the way up. And I'm going to show you exactly how we can do that in just 1 second. Okay, so getting creative, I'm going to take my original antenna. I replaced my antenna with one of the short antennas. So if you take the original antenna, you can feed that through down to that space where I told you, and we're going to take a piece of tape and we're going to attach it on the other end to where we can pull the power and the ground all the way up to the battery. So you could do a coat hanger. I would use something that's probably not going to scratch, even though it's on the inside of the truck, but just put a tape here, a piece of tape here, and you can tape it once you fish it all the way down to that little area where I told you. You could tape that, pull it right back up, and then your wires are going to be right where you need them to be. Okay, so this needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but you see how it's run through. See how it's run through, up through the bumper, fished through the frame, came up and run into the battery. Now, the thing that's going to be the most frustrating and most important thing is where it's hooked up to the battery. For the Silverado, that is number 77, and that's your power / TRN right here where it's hooked up. Took me about an hour and a half to figure out that after trial and error. So if you're watching this, it's a little gift for you. So that's where it's hooked up, and let's figure it out. Okay, so here we are at night. The lights have been installed, they're working good. Let's see what the startup looks like in the dark. Wow. Super bright. Freaking awesome. Let's do that again. One more time, run it back. There you go. Lights installed. Looking beautiful.